Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to use guest mode in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Guest mode is a useful feature when you want to browse the internet without saving your browsing history, cookies, or any other personal data on the computer. It is especially helpful if someone else is using your computer or if you are using a shared PC. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now click on the profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, click on open guest profile. That's it. A new Chrome window will open in guest mode. You can see guest on the top right corner. In this mode, Chrome does not save your browsing history, cookies, or site data after you close the window. However, any files that you download will be preserved. You also will not have access to your bookmarks, saved passwords, or extensions. Once you are done browsing, simply close the guest mode window. All your browsing activity from that session will be automatically deleted. If you want to go back to your normal profile, just open Chrome again and or select your profile from the profile menu. Just click on this here, and from here you can switch to another profiles. Guest mode is a quick and easy way to browse privately without leaving any traces on your computer. So that's how you can use guest mode in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.